What's up, YouTube? Shadow X Ownage here. Your Claude on SG here. Yeah, that's two YouTube channels. Me and my Brandon went fishing. We had some bad luck, so we're taking some anger out on some hot dogs that skip. Some corn dogs, man. They skip. Go on, do it. They skip. Yeah, let me do one. Let me do one. Go. Oh, I can't skip mine.
Dude, it floats.
It floats. How do you skip them? How do you skip them?
I don't know. Just throw, man. Just throw at an angle.
Oh, yay, I just skipped them.
Ah!
Hey, this is so fun. There you go, YouTube.
Oh, this thing flew off, man.
Wiener flipping. Like skipping and what the fuck? Shit is flying everywhere.
Dude, this thing should fly off.
Ooh, a corn dog. Do it. Dude, those wieners have been sitting out for like a day.
No, it's all there in the fridge.
Ew. I ain't biting one.
Take a bite.
No! Who do you think I am to eat this wiener?
It tastes pretty good, actually. Watch it come out here and swallow.
Watch a big ass fish just come up and just. Damn, I can't. Damn, that was a nice skip. That's a whole box. There's just wieners floating everywhere.
Dude, there's 50 corn dogs out here floating.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, 14,
whoa,
15.
Dude, look, they're all over there and everything.
There's
Ducks are coming. Yeah, we feed the ducks.
There you have it. Corn dog skipping.